Today, I'd like to share with you my top 5 picks for totally free video editing programs. Ideal tool for YouTube or Facebook video makers who wish to edit their videos regularly. First in our list is Windows 10 or Windows 11 built-in video editor. In case you didn't know, Windows 10 or Windows 11 has a built-in video editor. You can access this by searching Video Editor in your Start menu. It is a replacement for Movie Maker with an emphasis on user-friendly creative tools that support narrative telling. Here you can create video presentations with your images and videos, along with music, motion, text, and more with the video editor. Even animated 3D effects like fireworks and sparkles are an option. This video editor might be sufficient if you are seeking for a solution to spice up your own videos but have no prior knowledge with video editing. It will be ideal for you if you don't like to install software and you need one. However, we really believe you should check the other video editor programs. More features are accessible than what is provided here, even in the majority of free alternatives. Second in our list is Kdenlive Video Editor. Kdenlive is a powerful free and open-source cross-platform video editing program made by the KDE community. This video editor can be installed in Windows, Mac and Linux. Kdenlive has one of the best multi-track editing with a timeline, and while in batch mode, it supports an infinite number of films and audio tracks when used in batch mode. Kdenlive has features that may be used to create, crop, move, as well as remove video, audio, text, and photo clips. Kdenlive has been successful on both high-end and low-end PCs because of this. Flexible user interface. Kdenlive has a user interface that is fully editable. This implies that you can customize the workflow layouts to meet your needs. Actually, I'm editing this video with Kdenlive. I will put the link in the description below where you can download the program. Third in our list is ShotCut Video Editor. ShotCut is a free, open-source, cross-platform video editor for Windows, Mac and Linux. You can download this from shotcut.org. Given how easy to use ShotCut is, it would be a fantastic first video editing app for any YouTuber. A considerable number of tools for editing video and audio are available, and many other formats, including 4K, are supported. Keep in mind that ShotCut is open source as well as being free. I've already installed the application on my PC. You can see how it appears here. ShotCut features allow you to transform, composite, and color grade footage and images. Audio tools include pitch, reverb, bass adjustment, and noise reduction. The program includes a library of video transitions and filters. Again, I've included links to each of these video editors in the description down below. Fourth in our list is OpenShot Video Editor. OpenShot is a cross-platform video editor, with support for Linux, Mac, and Windows. OpenShot is one of the best free video editing programs. You can download this from openshot.org. Here are the incredible features of OpenShot Video Editor. As you can see, OpenShot will walk you through each step. Additionally, their website has additional tutorials that range from basic to advanced. I will include the link in the description below where you can download and further guide of this program. Last in our list is Natron Video Editor. Natron is an effective 2D or 2.5D digital compositor that can meet all of your needs. The most adaptable open-source compositor for the visual effects community is Natron, which benefits from OpenFX architecture and the stable OIIO file formats. All systems, including Mac OS, Linux, and Windows, have the same interface and functionalities. That's all. Hope this video helps you to choose which one meets your requirements for your video editing journey. Are they sufficient for your professional needs? Did I miss some better video editing tool that you know? If you are an experienced or beginner video editor, I would be interested in hearing your thoughts on how effective these open source video editors are for professionals. Please leave comment down below. Thank you for watching.